Top 3 best walking apps for weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight and want something simpler than intense workouts or gym sessions, walking can be one of the most effective tools. Paired with the right app, you can track your effort, stay motivated, and see real results. Today, I'm walking you through the top 3 best walking apps for weight loss, what each one does well, what to watch out for, and who each is best for. 3. A step tracker and calorie burn walking app. Coming in at number 3 is a walking app focused primarily on tracking steps, distance, and calories burned, with the goal of making weight loss measurable. These apps let you set step targets, see how many calories you've burned from walking, and monitor progress over time. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You open the app, walk, and it logs your activity often without complicated features. Because it focuses on what walking really does, calories out, motion in, it's easy to integrate into your daily life. You get a clear sense of I walked X steps, I burned I calories, which directly ties into weight loss. The limitation is that tracking alone isn't enough. If you don't pair the walking with good nutritional habits or increase intensity gradually, you may see only modest results. Also, some free versions restrict features like detailed reports or weekly summaries unless you upgrade. This type of app is ideal for someone who is beginning their weight loss journey, wants to build consistent walking habits, and needs an easy tool to log progress. If you've got a busy schedule and want a set it and forget it approach, this fits. 2. Guided walking plan app for weight loss. At number 2, we have apps designed specifically to guide your walking for weight loss, meaning they offer structured plans, interval walking, pace recommendations, and goals tailored for fat burn. These apps help you move beyond casual steps into walking with intent. Advantages include guided programs built around weight loss, for instance short bursts of faster walking, walking uphill, or walking for a designated number of minutes per session. This adds intensity without needing running. The app often reminds you, tracks your pattern, and motivates you through milestones or achievement badges, which helps drive consistency. The drawback: since you are following a plan, you'll need to commit more time and pay attention to how you walk, not just walk whenever you have time. Free tiers may limit the number of guided sessions or the depth of features. If you don't follow the plan, motivation may fade. This app type is ideal for individuals who already walk regularly and want to level up toward weight loss. If you're ready to turn casual strolls into purpose-driven sessions, this is your pick. It's especially useful for walkers who want measurable progress and structured support. 1. Walking app with weight loss focus plus motivation features. Taking the top spot is a walking app that combines everything: tracking, guided walking for fat burn, and strong motivation features specifically designed for weight loss goals. These apps treat walking as a central tool for transforming your body and lifestyle. The biggest advantage is the full package. You walk, the app tracks your effort, you follow a plan, you see calories burned, you get motivation through badges, reminders, challenges, and sometimes social features. Because the focus is on weight loss, all features align with helping you lose body fat, not just move more. The limitation is the same: you need to follow through. A great app won't replace good habits. Walking alone without some pace, effort, or consistent schedule may produce slow results. Also, many of these apps offer the best features in paid versions. This app is ideal for anyone serious about losing weight through walking. If you want more than just steps in the park, if you want measurable change, tangible goals, consistent sessions, and motivation built in, this is the one to choose. It works well for people who either don't like running or who want a low impact but effective weight loss strategy. Final thoughts. So there you have it, the top 3 best walking apps for weight loss. The Step Tracker app is perfect for starting out. The Guided Walking Plan app helps you step up the intention and structure. The weight loss focused walking app gives you the full suite of tools, tracking, and motivation.
Walking is one of the most underrated tools for weight loss. With the right app, your phone becomes your coach, your tracker, and your motivator.
And as you build the habit, the actual scale and losing inches start to reflect the effort. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.